I'm getting short on options. Alright, third and last option. Extremely muddy. Oh, there's water everywhere. Right, how's the beard? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back in Aberdeen on Cape Breton Island. I'm gonna leave today and make my way to Halifax. Today I will leave this awesome place and gain the mainland. This should be a short day, I think. I'm gonna show you on the map how it looks for today, but first some catch up. First, let's go back a few videos. I followed that route across the bridge here. Enter here after a few construction work, and that's where I entered the inland. Small detour somewhere, and I get out around Wreck Cove. Then took the road and enjoyed the pavement and the scenery all the way back to the hostel. So today we are here and I'm trying to get to Halifax, but I'm gonna stop somewhere on the campground here. I've got two choices: taking the highway or the coastal road, but it's gonna take me maybe 10 hours. So the idea is to find a way through the mainland. The map is not detailed enough, but I'll find a way. And that's it. That's basically the plan for today. Let's get some gas first. I need to fuel up. This thing doesn't want to stay put. Oh, it's getting cheaper and cheaper. A bit more. Right, that's enough. Oof. And off we go! With no accident, promise. So this is Aberdeen, small community. There are only small communities around the Porters Lake compared to Newfoundland. Everybody is like spread out along the all the lakes and rivers. Seems like I won't be seeing any moose on Nova Scotia. I just have a quick chat with a local, and there is overshooting. So the population is going down. It's a big house. Well, goodbye Cape Breton. I will have fond memories of you. Causeway. I've just arrived in what is Port Hastings, I believe, and this is the causeway I'm gonna take. I can see mainland Canada from here. So since I left Labrador, it's gonna be the first time I'm putting a foot mainland Canada again. In a moment, soon. That's it. I'm back in mainland Canada, and the clouds are getting darker and darker. Okay, I'm gonna stop here in this gas station because I want to find a way along the coast. So this is the road I'm gonna take. That's gonna be County Guysborough. That's where I'm going. Guysborough. And this is where I shouldn't make a mistake. Goshen. I'm looking for Goshen town, the town of Goshen, and I'm sure I'm saying it wrong. Because I'm 5Ks. Okay. I'm heavily relying on the actual map, the paper map, because I'm cross-checking what the GPS gave me and the map. I thought I would find a gravel road somewhere, but it was dead ends. In Goshen I can find something like a back road somewhere. Since I'm riding inland, I see Nova Scotia is covered in forests. Also, I was expecting maybe crops. I don't know why. I've been fortunate with the weather today. It's not too hot. It's windy. That's why all the clouds. That's why the sky keeps changing. It's not raining, so it's a good thing. Okay, I'm now in Goshen, and there's some sort of. I'm at a crossroad, and I have no idea where to go. 7 south, and then it's around Melrose. Let's try this. Okay, this is my shortcut. But I love the countryside so far. Not many people. A nice walk in the park. I started wondering if this day would be uneventful. I can still be surprised though. Yeah, this forest looks so nice. Reminds me of the European forest. With the moss, ferns, pine trees, and the narrow paths. Oh, oh. Is there a way on the right? It's extremely muddy. Oh, there's water everywhere. Okay. Can I turn around? Ah, I've got a rock behind me. Okay, one push. I'm good. Too bad, but it's a swimming pool back there. Okay, I'm gonna try the first one where I thought I was lost. That one. It's not on the map. It's not on the GPS. But maybe it connects the one I can see. No, dead end. I'm getting short on options. Alright, third and last option. Okay, where am I? Canoes. Okay, it's for the lake. Almost private property. Okay. Through. There I am, 30 minutes later, where I should have been. This is the 3:48 and I'm, oh, chicken, and I'm heading west. At some point the road will veer right to the north. I found a new trail. I found another trail, and I'll try to get on this one and cut through all of this forest. Oh man, the road is so bad. I mean, there's grass poking through. This is no gravel road. Caledonia Hattie Cemetery. Trafalgar 20 k's. Let's do this. This is the gravel road. Almost in better shape than the pavement. Porters Lake Provincial Park. Finally made it. Camping grounds. Perfect. And those trees, so many big trees on the road. What are they doing? Yeah, so the vegetation is already very different from Cape Breton's. And 18. That's me. Ooh, looks really nice. Feel like ages I've camped. Yeah, I'm letting the air in. Seems like an animal stayed in there and died. Today's ride was great. It's a shame I couldn't get in the wood and cross through the wood, but that puddle was like way too deep, way too muddy. On either side I couldn't make it, but I had a gravel road and that was nice. Overall, great day, and I can't wait to see the rest of it. It's been 364 kilometers in about 7 hours. Not too bad, but it's been a long day. I'm gonna take a nap now. Big long nap.